trying to think of what I haven't already said, because there's a lot.
This is more personal, I guess.
You know, I just have seen in the 3 years that I've worked with the Career Technical Education Foundation, I have really seen all the different learners in the classroom. And we just need to really recognize that everybody individually, we're different learners. And not everyone can learn from a speaking head at the head of the classroom, the teacher, and a book, and then be tested and be evaluated based on the results of that. I have a child myself who is a hands-on learner, and so my work in this is so passionate because I know those students, they need projects like this. They need to know that they are smart, that they are capable, they will be successful, even if they can't make, you know, an A on a test. So it's just so important that we provide much more of that opportunity so that we're engaging all types of learners in our education system, so that we can really move the needle on having more of our, especially high school graduates, who are truly college and career ready. We have too many students who are not meeting the minimum requirements to pursue post-secondary education. Yet we know the future of our jobs locally, statewide, nationally, 80% of the jobs are going to require it. So we have to make sure those kids are confident, that they can kind of see their pathway. And programs like this, Switch Electric Vehicle, help students open up their mind to the pathways for further education, as well as the variety of careers that are available to them.
That was great.